What are you taking to 7 CPR?
I'd like to take it to 7. I took it to 68 on this one.
And you said it rolled over at like 62?
Yeah. So we still need to get some more tension on that. I mean, granted, we're pushing a 6er in pretty hard.
Yeah.
But it's going to need some more tension, I think.
Is that shift light working? You notice?
I notice. This thing makes great power for what's done to it.
No, 650 wheel?
Yeah. Real mild cam and a blower.
You know what cam?
What's that?
You know what cam is?
Real mild. for what it is, it's a hell of a deal.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, because it still handles, it still stops,
yep.
it still turns.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yep. And it's got not huge brakes on the back, so I feel like you could put a decent size tire on it, you know?
15s is a spindle.
No way.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, because they got the small brakes in the rear.
Yep.
Belt slipped and only made 400 when we first ran it. I just tightened the fuck out of it and went up to 660.
Yeah?
So if he's been driving it around like that with the belt out, he's probably going to feel real fast.
I remember.
Talking about the equivalent blower to Pro Charger? Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's the entry level blower, so it's like a P1.
They also have a impeller design though too, so.
These do? So
yeah, compared to like a P1SC.
So P1 would probably pick up a little bit.
Oh yeah. P1X.
P1X is where it's
P1X is dropping 900s.
Hundreds.
Alright, I'm ready to be good. What do you think this would go in a quarter?
That probably 10.
Now, if you can't drive middle.
It ought to drive like
now what would it go in a base model with a stalled auto?
bottom 10s.
Maybe 9.
On a really good day. I mean, yeah, on a really good day.
How about P1?
Nah, you can go back. Turn it up a little more. Take about 650 up there with an auto. 650 to 700. Just like
probably couldn't get away with that kind of power with like a 98 LS1 though.
No.
You have to have like 2,000 and up probably.
Yeah.
To I don't know.
Yeah, the P81, you'll just turn it up until you run 9s. You won't run 9s waiting for it to run down.
Now, with the stock bottom end, that was what? Seems good and relatively
good.
easy.
Good fuel. Yeah. You need to get out. You'll need to be like in the 460s.
Which is good.
Shouldn't be hard to go to the gym a little bit. Cardio. Yeah, just put a small poke on it. And if you don't want to tighten your belt up all the time, just do an 8 rib right from the start. Eliminated fuel right here. Yep. Like, yeah. So I'm gonna deal with it.
Oh.
Ma.
Selection. Selection.
We're doing a trunk tank on it.
Oh.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah, I think he needs that IAT.
Well, he had the engine bay and the two, which are a pain in the to ice down when you're at this level, and he needs the weight over the rear tires. And it allows Brian to put the regulator nicely there.
Yeah, and I just hate boxes there anyways because all the lines run right here and you can't do anything over here.
Yeah.
It's all new 4 stuff, or is this the same old stuff?
All new fuel system.
Tight.
450s.
Tight.
Jimmy, we're gonna do our damnedest to put this thing in the 9s.
Yeah, I think if it hooks, it'll book.
Disconnect split end legs. Try to do every little thing we can.
Pull the filter off. Dirt back it.
No pull of the filter. So with the math.
No. I think ice down. It should be pretty. What was the best time before? 10.3.
10.1.
Oh my.
10.1 at like, I think this thing went 143 in 2 seconds. We went over 40, so it's got the power. It's got the mile an hour to do it.
That's fast. This car is nice. I like this car. Is he all done with half mile stuff then?
Yeah.
Okay. So, the new E90 M5 just came out.
Oh.
So, you know, twin turbo V8, we're like 600 and something horsepower, all-wheel drive.
Okay.
Automatic 8-speed.
It's got a converter in it?
It went from DCT to torque converter.
How many BMW guys are losing their minds?
They're so pissed off. They're like, they're not like about the driving experience. They're like turning into Mercedes. And everybody else is like, this car is gonna be so much faster, and it already is so much faster.
Yeah, but the driving experience.
I'm not able to choose my own gear.
Yes, driving experience.
Bullshit.
They're like, yeah, you know, it'll be way faster around a track. I'm like, okay, but in an automatic, you can shift from like 6th to 2nd like that. In a DCT, you have to physically.
Yep. Yeah, you have to go through the gear, and you get that clunk, 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 clunk.
Everybody's like, it drives so much nicer. It's all-wheel drive, so it cuts like it's fucking fast from the dig apparently, but.
And then somebody will put a converter in it, and then BMW guys will go, "Oh my god!"
Yep. So that's interesting. I didn't call BMW to do something like that, but Porsche is now the only one with PDK.
They were cool in the day.
Yeah. I mean, it's like they're fun to drive and everything, but it's just they're expensive when they break. They always break. They're shit to drive. And if you're gonna do that, might as well do manual, honestly. What's up, man?
Oh, you know, finally not getting by that.
You're still waiting on parts of this one anyway?
This one I just started on right now.
Oh, gotcha.
I got that whole back together, and then it decided to leak coolant after sitting all day long.
Really?
So you know how I have those hose clamp things where you heat them up and they shoot?
Yeah.
It had like done it weird. It finally just started leaking after a while of sitting, so I had to pull it all back apart.
That's dumb.
Yeah, so I just got started on this about 10 minutes ago.
Damn. What are you doing on this one?
Alpha car. So
Alpha package.
I don't know if it's in the MSD intake manifold. No MSD, but all the other goodies.
Nice. That'd be cool. Still should put down some pretty good power.
Yeah, 580. 580.
Very nice. It's a really clean car.
Dude, I really like it. This guy follows me on Instagram.
Same. He's going over here. Got some Black Widow mufflers.
So glad I found out that they call him Dildo Baggins.
Who?
Lucas.
Dildo Baggins?
Yeah.
I'd probably.
I wouldn't get let out to him. He's not having a good day right now.
I'll just call him Brodo Swaggins. Dildo Baggins.
Isn't that hilarious? Just finished up 2 more C7 intakes and expansion tank, and now I can jump back on this and finish this. So
Nice.
Then I'll have 4 more intakes to make
Nice.
and 5 C7Z heat exchange, or not heat exchangers, expansion tanks.
Nice.
Lots of stuff going on.
So, what are you doing on this one?
This one, we're mating the, so he got headers and the X pipe. I believe it's ARH, right?
Uh huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, those pipes right there didn't mate up to the axle back,
Okay.
so I just cut it back some. Expanded the tube. It's 2 3/4. So expanded it and then welded in these straights and then these V-bands, and then now I just need to connect these with some more straights.
Nice. Some 3-inch pipe and some V-bands and call it a day.
Yep.
Nice. What's up, dog?
So good.
How's it going?
Let's go. At standstill.
Yeah, what?
We're doing an A-rib on this, and the power steering pump pulley, even when it's pressed on all the way, it's too far out.
Oh, bummer. So you gotta get turned out.
Yeah, we sent it to the machine shop to get it turned down, and so it'll go on.
Joe was literally talking about this yesterday. It'd be nice to have a lathe so that we could do that ourselves, you know?
Yeah. And then I'm also waiting on a transcooler.
Oh, bummer.
These C6s, like after you're doing a C7, these are like so.
Yeah. C7s look like a nightmare in
Yeah,
comparison.
there's so much. Like they're still not hard, but it's like time consuming because you're like, oh, there's another clip.
Yeah.
Another clip.
Yeah. What's easier, C5 or C6? As far as pulling the trans? About the same. Yeah. Have you ever driven one of these with a converter and stuff? The C6? No.
So now Joe said after I drive this, I'm no longer.
Yeah. Yeah. It'll be.
Which I've already been thinking about because we were talking about an auto C5, like a base model C5. For like, you know, $8,000, but I'll have to put a trans in it.
Yeah.
Right
460.
So there's another like couple grand right there. And then
Like 2,500 plus a converter.
Yeah.
$1,000.
And then all the stuff with the motor and everything.
Yep.
We started talking about it, and I was like, if I could find like a clean like C6 base model that's auto and LS3, I might do that instead.
I know there's.
Because then I don't have to do a trans. I just put a converter in it.
Yeah.
Don't have to do anything motor. Like this thing's a cam only car with the blower, and it's solid.
Yeah.
Talking about something different, anyways.
Lucas is a mad boy today. He's a mad boy. You a mad boy, Lucas?
What?
Are you a sad boy or a mad boy?
I'm just waiting for him to f***ing do something, dude.
Can you fight him real quick? If you can get an LS3 vet, like for cheap.
I just found a whole bunch of them, like low mile ones for like 16, 15.
It's not too bad, because it's like, if you think about it, it's like you're saving some money, you know?
Here's the other thing too. Even base model C6s look better than C5s,
Yeah.
in my opinion. And I'm also on the larger side, and C6s are more roomy.
Yes. What color would you get if you got a C6? If you had the choice. Jetstream blue.
The most I've ever made was on Rich Floor's LT, which is high compression.
Yeah.
I made 750.
Boost is not going up after 5,800 RPM, but it's not dropping either. It's just kind of stagnant.
I bet the blower's down.
The blower might be down.
What did this make before all this?
621.
God damn!
How low's timing? There you go.
12 degrees.
If this bitch was on E,
We go 800.
oh, well, that's gonna make a lot. It'd make like 750, 760.
I think we did 800.
John Oram went 10-2 making 580 feel.
Jesus.
Yeah, but not driving John Orm.
Yeah, on a 19-inch drag
John
radio.
Put John Warren in this thing, see what it does. There's nobody has more experience with launching a C6 than John Orm does.
Yeah,
For real.
He's pretty consistent.
I mean, he's every single time I've been to the track, John Warren has been there.
No, every time I go.
Even like Friday night tracks. Oh, let's go to the Friday night. Hey, it's John Orm. Ah!